Hey guys, so this is how you're going to return an Etsy item and get a refund. First, log into your Etsy account and go to purchases and reviews. So you can do that by logging into your account and then head over to this profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then from there, you're going to tap on purchases and reviews. Now, find the order that you want to return and then click with help with order. From here, you can choose return or exchange and send a message to the seller. Now, if you cannot find that, you can just go to your Gmail account and then go to the email that confirmed your order, and then you're going to tap on the sender and then you're going to send an email from there. Now, in your email, you're going to have to explain why you want to return the item and request a refund. Each shop has its own return policy, so make sure to check it beforehand. Now, once the seller approves, they will give you return instructions like the address and shipping method. Ship the item back safely, and once the seller confirms receiving it, they will process your refund. The money will return to your original payment method within a few days. And that's it. That is how you return Etsy item and get a refund. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.